Earlier today, I had posted this without a voice, but someone tells me that I need to voice so that this clearly understood. Now, we want to dynamically pick items from a drop down based on a different list. For example, we have here furniture, office, and technology products. And we have a drop down of the categories which come from this. When I select furniture, I need to see only items that are related to the furniture, which are machines, chairs, furnishings, tables. And when I pick office, I see only items for the office, and when I pick technology, I see only items for the subcategory for technology. Now, to do this, we need to deliver in two steps. First, we need names and name ranges of the items that are on this. To do this, we need to give specific names or name ranges to furniture, office, and technology. So you can either type it on the name box or go to formulas, then define name. So I'll select this, formulas, define name, call that furniture. You can see that here, call that furniture, then OK. The next one, I select office, go to formulas, then define name. I select this is office, and be careful not to have names with underscore or two names, two words. Click OK. Select technology, define name. I call this technology, and click OK. Now I need, when I select category and subcategory, I need when I select category, say the furniture, office, or technology, I only get the items on the subcategory. So next is to validate the category by going to data validation. Under data validation, I'll change this to list, then select furniture, office, and technology. Then click OK. Then select at least one of them. Then from here, I'm going to use the indirect function under the data validation tool. So list, then from the source it will be is equals to indirect. Then I select office. That way it's going to dynamically reference office when office is selected, and it will give me the items for office on the subcategory. Then I click OK. Now you can see office has these items. When I select technology, you can see the items for technology, and at the same time when I select furniture, you'll see items for furniture. Thanks for watching. My name is David Kandia.